enjoy your birthday today. Thank you so much. Ate Ana.
Kuwang lagi, apil na.
Para mabuo po natin yung ilaw. Kasi
Kuwang man.
And you will see the love that we still hold the key. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know.